Morning guys, welcome to another video for Advanced in Car. Welcome back to the channel. So today we've been working on this Audi S5. It's the 8T chassis. Now this car has come in to us for genuine Audi folding mirrors. So Rich has had both the door cards off, had both the wing mirrors off, taking apart the main silver S5 and the RS5 silver caps, which are of course very expensive, and the glass off the mirrors, and then reassembled them, refitted the door mirrors. As long as you've got compatible door modules, these will work. On the driver's side, which we'll show you anyway, we've got a new, it's called Escutcheon, plastic bit of trim with a new switch that goes in there that allows the folding. So when I press the button like so, the mirrors will fold on lock. And then when you put your key in the ignition, they will unlock automatically. But also what you do get in this vehicle is a menu up on the radio, the MMI screen, that will allow you to disable the fold on lock because it's not to everyone's taste. I like it just because when you turn around, you can always tell if your car's locked. So let's jump inside and we'll show you a bit more about what we've done. Right, so we're now inside the car. This vehicle doesn't have a push start button, so I have to put the key in. As soon as I put the key in, that will tell the mirrors to unfold into their normal operating procedure. And Rich has also coded this particular car to do a mirror dip. So when you put the car into reverse, the passenger mirror, let's just see if we can shut that up. The passenger mirror will also dip for a comfort feature, also just to protect your alloy wheels, which is the main thing. Now, if I was just to shut this door and just twist the knob that Rich has fitted in the door card like so, turn it round to 6 o'clock, mirrors will fold, and then you can unfold them by returning that as well. Now, ultimately, these mirrors Will only fold whilst you're driving at under 10 miles an hour. It's a comfort feature. So if you are traveling slowly down a country road and something big is coming towards you, you can fold them. If you're going too fast, it simply won't do it. So not only have you got your new switch and your new plastic Escutcheon, which is a crazy name, but it's quite cool. You've also got the menu, which is above me now as I speak, for the MMI, and that allows you to turn on and off your mirror folding with the key. I don't know why you wouldn't want that, because it's a nice feature, but this is an Audi S5. It's an 8T chassis. We have supplied and fitted genuine Audi folding wing mirrors. We always check compatibility. We've supplied and fitted the new mirrors with the plastic trim and with the new switch that allows for the folding, and that's it. Job done. If you want genuine equipment and you want seamless integration and you want 2 years warranty, then you need to come to us to get it done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family. Website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk, and as usual, thanks for watching.